Hey there, TRASTRA fans. Welcome to episode 102 of your beloved TRASTRA Newsreel. So, Bitcoin continues to shatter ceilings, reaching a dizzying 70,000 plus on March 8th. The mainstream narrative behind the growth is U.S. unemployment data, anticipated interest rates cuts, ETF inflows, and whatnot. Of course, there are a few things that are much more sinister behind the surge. We'll discuss some of the aspects of it in the video later on. We'll discuss Coinbase's stock soaring over $252 a share. That's a 60% climb since the year kicked off. Trading volume has swelled to nearly $100 billion daily on crypto exchanges. Not only Coinbase, it's a general piece of data. A frenzy last seen in the COVID-driven bull market of 2021. BlackRock, not to be outdone, is dipping its colossal oars into the spot Bitcoin ETF waters again, with ambitions that could shake the very foundation of traditional and digital finance alike. We'll discuss that. Yet not all is smooth sailing in the space. JPMorgan Chase's beacon of caution shines yet again on Bitcoin's potential to rock the Federal Reserve's boat, while Spain bans Sam Altman's Worldcoin, citing privacy concerns. We'll talk about FTX and BlockFi finding a semblance of salvage in a staggering settlement after the 2022 financial maelstrom. We'll discuss some staggering data behind DeFi's pump and dump schemes, a fascinating story, so stick around for that one. Tesla and SpaceX treasure troves of Bitcoin are now unveiled, yet the map to their crypto strategy remains as elusive as ever. Meanwhile, Coachella, the Coachella Music Festival, and OpenSea want to issue passes to the fest as NFTs on the Avalanche blockchain, offering a $1,500 digital key to VIP experiences. Just so you know, a regular VIP pass is a little over $1,000, so I'm curious as to what the difference is paying for. And we'll definitely talk about Chloe Grace Moretz stepping into the shoes of Heather RAZZLEKHAN Morgan in the tale of the Bitfinex Bitcoin heist. Yep. You heard right. They're actually making a movie about it. And as I found out while I was writing the script for this video, there's more than one show being made about this money laundering scheme the poor kids got draconian sentences for. Crazy. Anyway, that's episode 102 for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy another awesome ride along through the cryptoverse. Bitcoin surged to a record $70,184 on March 8th on the International Women's Day. And the official version of the explanation is that it was buoyed by U.S. unemployment data, suggesting potential interest rate cuts. The unexpected rise in the unemployment rate to 3.9%, coupled with the revisions to January's job additions, hinted at easing inflationary pressures, propelling stocks and cryptocurrencies alike. Concurrently, the US dollar weakened, with the dollar index dropping to near 2-month lows as the market anticipates the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision on March 20th. And of course, the good old block subsidy halving. I hope you know that all this is pure, unadulterated BS. The reasons for the Bitcoin growth are much more sinister and have nothing to do with halvings, ETFs, Fed rate cuts, or unemployment, or anything to that extent. It has everything to do with whales propping up their investments with loans taking out in stablecoins. Let me know in the comments if you want me to produce a video on that. It's a fascinating topic, and you should really be familiar with that. In the meantime, Coinbase's stock has surged, reaching above 252, marking a significant 60% increase since the year's start. All, of course, is due to Bitcoin's shot to the moon and Coinbase's custody partnerships with the most powerful Bitcoin ETF asset managers out there. Zooming out a little bit, for the first time since late 2021, daily trading volume on centralized crypto exchanges has surged to nearly $100 billion daily, driven by the same old buzz around new spot Bitcoin ETF launches. The 7-day moving average reached $97 billion on March 6th, a stark rise from around $24 billion in early February. Such trading activity levels have only been surpassed during the 2021 COVID-driven bull market. Binance leads with a 43% market share, followed by Upbit, OKX, and of course, Coinbase. BlackRock is set to buy spot Bitcoin ETFs for its global allocation fund, with assets nearing $18 billion. The firm's updated SEC filing mentions purchasing shares in ETPs mirroring Bitcoin's price, including those sponsored by BlackRock affiliates. The move follows a similar strategy for its Strategic Income Opportunities Fund, holding over $36 billion in assets, that is. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust leads the ETF market since January, with $12.7 billion locked in Bitcoin, especially after reaching record inflows of $788 million. Make no mistake, though, those are real dollars, not tethers, so that's the difference. Again, if you want me to produce a video on this, I'll be more than happy to. to. So drop me a line down there in the comments. Additionally, BlackRock proposes a spot Ethereum ETF awaiting SEC's decision, but it's going to take a little while, I think. But it wouldn't be a day in the cryptoverse without JPMorgan Chase raising concerns over something. This time, the banking giant's chief market strategist, Marko Kolanovic, raised concerns over Bitcoin's surge potentially affecting the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Kolanovic indicated that Bitcoin's climb could pressure the Fed to maintain a stricter monetary stance longer than anticipated. He argued that any premature interest rate cuts could further boost asset prices or rekindle inflation. This warning comes amid Bitcoin's robust performance, defying broader market trends following the Fed's decision to hold current interest rates. But the decision's not in, actually. It's kind of rumored, and Powell said that he's going to hold, but the official thing is going to come in on March 20th, as I mentioned before. So with Bitcoin's value up nearly 9% this year, so we'll see what happens later on. We got about a week or so. Spain has imposed a temporary ban on Sam Altman's Worldcoin, citing privacy concerns. The Spanish regulator demanded a halt to iris data collection and the use of already gathered data, labeling the company's actions as a breach of EU law. Worldcoin, which trades iris scans for digital ID and cryptocurrency, has registered over 4 million users across 120 countries. The move comes amid wider scrutiny in Europe, with Germany's data authority also investigating. Worldcoin argues its technology is essential and lawful, aiming to provide a unique digital ID for online human verification. Holy shit, this is crazy and scary. This is crazy scary. FTX and BlockFi, both bankrupt, have agreed on a settlement potentially worth $874 million, resolving their disputes from the 2022 financial meltdown. FTX will prioritize a $250 million payment, with a balance dependent on its capability to compensate its customers. This follows mutual lawsuits over financial recoveries post-collapse. A pivotal $689 million may go to BlockFi for loans provided by FTX's affiliate, Alameda Research, with an additional $185.3 million for BlockFi's FTX account holdings. The settlement, however, hinges on court's approval and FTX's fulfillment of customer repayments amidst uncertainties around BlockFi's ability to repay its interest-bearing account holders. I know you don't give a shit about any of that, but I thought I'd include this, just for shits and giggles, just to let you know what sort of money is being extracted from real economy by these people. Anyway, Athena has emerged as the top-earning dApp, with its daily cumulative revenue surpassing $6.8 million over the past week. This achievement places Athena ahead of all other dApps, though it still trails behind Tron and Ethereum in terms of revenue. Athena's USDE synthetic dollar is attracting attention with a 67.2% annual percentage yield, appealing to its 350,000 users. I hope you're not one of them. The market cap of USDE has seen significant growth, increasing by 43% in the week and 409% over the past month to reach $840 million. Athena Labs, the creator of USDE, introduced this Ethereum-based synthetic dollar on the public mainnet on February 19th, amidst initial investor concerns over its high yield compared to previous offerings like Terra USD, Anchor Protocol. Athena's funding rounds have raised a total of $20 million, supported by notable investors including Dragonfly, Binance Labs, and Gemini, who, as you know, is having its own problems right now. Speaking of DeFi, pump and dump schemes are raking in millions. Over 90,000 Ethereum-based pump and dumps profited roughly $241.6 million in 2023. In 2023 alone, of course, chump change by the JPMorgan standards. One identified wallet launched just 81 tokens, netting an $830,000 in profit somehow. It's like tokenized cold fusion or something. I don't know how that works. Anyway, Tesla and SpaceX's combined Bitcoin holdings are now public, revealing a stash worth $1.34 billion. Arkham Intelligence reports Tesla has 11.51 thousand Bitcoins across 68 addresses. Just 68 addresses hold $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Fascinating. That's valued at $780 million, while SpaceX holds about 8,200 Bitcoins in 28 wallets. I'll bet you these are the same wallets, totaling $560 million. Still, both companies' crypto strategy remains partially veiled. So as usual, we're left guessing pretty much as to what the next jolt of electricity in Musk's brain will do to the cryptoverse. Stay tuned. Coachella Music Festival and OpenSea are bringing a fresh twist to music festival experience through NFTs, leveraging the Avalanche blockchain. If you recall, Coachella's initial foray into NFTs with FTX fell through after FTX's downfall. Now with OpenSea, known for its massive inventory of over 80 million NFTs across 2 million collections, Coachella aims to attract a wider audience if that's possible. It's one of the most popular music festivals in the world. The deal includes the release of the VIP Pass Plus Oasis Lounge Keepsake NFT, priced at $1,499 or 39.3 AVAX, offering 1,024 lucky holders not just VIP festival access in 2024, but also an exclusive entry to the Oasis Lounge for some shaded relaxation and complimentary refreshments. The initial offering apparently is just the beginning, with more unique collectibles promising additional perks slated for release in late March and mid-April. Or you can just buy a VIP pass for a little over $1,000 and enjoy all the perks in the old-fashioned way. Up to you. And finally, on March 8th, 2024, it was announced that Chloe Grace Moretz is set to portray Heather RAZZLEKHAN Morgan in the film Dutch and RAZZLEKHAN, which explores the $4 billion Bitfinex Bitcoin heist saga. Alongside Moretz, Lewis Pullman will depict Ilya Dutch Liechtenstein, with Ariana DeBose in a yet unrevealed role. Directed by John Baird of Tetris fame, the screenplay is crafted by the Miller brothers Logan and Noah. The narrative, inspired by a 2022 Business Insider expose, tracks Morgan and Liechtenstein's journey from aspiring rappers to notorious crypto launderers following the 2016 Bitfinex hack. Their arrest in February 2022 led to a plea deal by 2023, facing up to 20 years behind bars, as per the U.S. Department of Justice. Moretz, known for her roles in The Peripheral, I don't know if you've seen that show, it's kind of cool, but not real 100%. And Mona, I have no idea what that is, joins Pullman and Academy Award winner DeBose, each bringing their recent successes into the mix. This project is among several on Morgan and Liechtenstein, as it turns out, including Amazon MGM's RAZZLEKHAN, it's called RAZZLEKHAN, and Hulu's series featuring Lily Collins. The film taps into the fascination with crypto crimes, echoing Hollywood's trend of dramatizing the tech and finance world's dark tales. I mean, I will be watching that. Anyway, with that, thank you so much for watching episode 102 of your beloved Newsreel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, watch our TikToks, and I bid you adieu. See you in the next video.